Hey folks, it's Mangrel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a drone nerd like me, this product will get you super excited. This is the Flywoo Blackbox OpenLager, and you can use this to add Blackbox recording functionality to a flight controller that does not natively have Blackbox recording. Inside the bag, we have a lot of little components. The first piece is the logging doodad itself. Next, we have the USB port. We have some cables. We have some stickers, support card, and most importantly, we have some desiccant gel. The OpenLager itself is super tiny. It's smaller than my fingernail, and it has a whopping 512 megabytes of logging capability, and it only weighs 0.36 grams. The OpenLager consists of multiple components. The first component is your USB port, USB Type-C, along with an SD card slot that gives you the ability of augmenting the 512 megabytes that we already have on here, which in practice, I don't think we need to install this in our quad. 512 should be plenty. So if we disconnect this, I truly see this piece as being used more to access our log files once they're created. So really, this is the piece that we want to install in our quad, and it has 4 cables that connect to 5 volt, ground, RX, and TX. Given how small the module is, let's take a look at it under the microscope, and not really seeing any kind of markings. On this end here, we have the connector that connects to the daughter board that has a USB port. On this end over here, we have the connector that connects to our flight controller. Now, similarly on the back, I'm not really seeing any markings. I did find these 4 solder pads over here, but I have no idea what these 4 pads are for. And also, really, there's no instruction manual that tells us what this is for. I've reached out to Flywoo just to get some instructions. I'm hoping that these are solder pads that coincide with these particular flight controller connectors. That would be awesome. Once I hear back, I will let you know in the description. Now, unfortunately, we don't have any detailed instruction guide for this module. Pretty much what you see listed on the Flywoo website, that's all we have access to. And really, it's quite high level, but it gives you enough information to be able to figure out how to connect things up. The Flywoo OpenLager is truly geared towards those flight controllers that don't have onboard Blackbox capability. And yes, most flight controllers nowadays do have some kind of onboard storage for Blackbox. However, the AIO5 you're looking at right now from HDZero doesn't have any kind of Blackbox capability. It's just so tightly packed that there is no space for that functionality. And I do use Blackbox recording for all of my PID tuning. I actually use a software called PIDToolBox, and that software requires your Blackbox logs in order to help you do PID tuning. And that's my go-to software for PID tuning. And I'm hoping that I can now use this to do proper PID tuning on my HDZero Tiny Whoops. I've got the Flywoo module wired into my HDZero AIO5. Red wire has gone to plus 5 volts. Black wire has gone to ground. Yellow wire has gone to the only available UART. So yellow goes to T, white goes to R. And that's pretty much how it gets wired in. Now that the module is all wired up, we do have to make a couple of Betaflight configuration updates. First of all, we have to go to the ports tab and indicate this UART is now being used by the Blackbox data logger. And then under the Blackbox tab, we do want to start logging to a serial device, and you can set whatever kind of logging parameters you prefer. And then finally, you can go ahead and indicate a switch for turning the Blackbox logging on or off, like what I have done over here. And that's it, we're good to go. I've got the OpenLager fully installed. Pretty much I just taped it to the back of the camera because remember, this is a temporary device. We're only using this for data logging. If everything has been wired and configured correctly, we should get a red light on the OpenLager when we power up the quad. That means the OpenLager is receiving power. Now, if we arm the quad with Blackbox set to record, we get that flashing blue light. That means we are now logging to the OpenLager. Once we're done logging, this will come off the quad. Yes, it only weighs 0.4 grams, but why carry extra weight when we don't need to? So you want to fly this in exactly this configuration while you're logging. Make sure you don't connect anything to this connector on this side. So fly it like this, do your logs, and then connect this actual daughter board to this little board here using that connector. And you're able to pull your log files using the USB port. And then once you're done, just take the whole thing off. It is actually pretty straightforward. Now, not as straightforward as if we had Blackbox logging right on our flight controller, but this is the next best thing. So hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.